Are you sick of the labour-intensive, back-breaking job of installing a traditional timber end assembly? Or do you just want the quickest, easiest way to get an end assembly installed? The Stay Tight Pine Post End Assembly Kit has you covered. Once your post is in, the first thing to do is to drop the stainless steel tension cable loop over the post, lower it to the ground, and then walk the other end out to where the stay will end. Now you need to mark out where the stay will be on the post. This measurement will be 3/4 of the post height out of the ground. For example, if the post is 1250mm, then you would mark the post at around about 950mm. The post now needs to be notched. If the post is new, you can cut a vertical notch. This is the easiest and the quickest way. However, if the post is older, or you're just worried about cracks forming in the post and the stay moving, it would be best to cut a horizontal notch. If cutting a horizontal notch, remember to factor in the angle of the stay when installed. Now, test fit the twist tight tongue into the post to ensure you have a snug fit. You can now knock the twist tight tongue into the end of the stay. Insert the stay into the post, ensuring that it's aligned in the direction of the fence. Work at the top of the post is now done. Take the foot plate and push the tongue up into the end of the stay. Pull the eye bolt through the hole on the foot plate tongue and thread the nut on a few turns by hand. Check the stay is still embedded in the notch and it's aligned with the direction of the fence. Using the Stay Tight tube spanner, tighten the nut until the cable is tight with no sag. The stay shouldn't be able to move at this point and the tension cable should spring back after applying a little pressure. And there you have it. One completed pine post end assembly. Do it once, do it right, use Stay Tight.